Hello, I'm Anchorman DJ and welcome to Fast TV. Let's see the program The Da Vinci Code. The Da Vinci Code story is about a religious problem between the Holy Grail Keeper and an invader. The invader wants to rob the Holy Grail from the Holy Grail Keeper, but the Holy Grail Keeper wants to keep the invader from stealing. Now, let's talk to our reporter. I'm a reporter, Bob, currently in Paris. Let's see the fish. Hello, Mr. Potato. Can you describe murderer appearance?
His appearance is so shocking because he has many self-harming accessories such as chilies.
Can you describe Robert's appearance?
Robert's appearance is so ordinary and he has cool voice.
Why are they dangerous?
I think Robert isn't a dangerous person, but the murderer seems psycho and a mad believer, and he looks like crazy. And he said he is God's messenger.
Now, let's take a look at the weather.
I'm in Paris. Today it's very cold, and the skies will be partly cloud and there's a chance of freezing tonight. So be very careful. Tomorrow will be 5 or 6 degrees colder than today, but clear skies are expected for the weekend.
Welcome back. I am Anchorman DJ in the studio. That's everything. From now on, Fast TV. Goodbye.